want you to remember that self-care is not selfish. Taking care of yourself doesn't mean me first. It means me too. You won't always be a priority to others, and that's why you have to be a priority to yourself. Learn to respect yourself, take care of yourself, and become your own support system. I want you to remember that please do not wait on others to choose you. Choose yourself today. You have to choose yourself even when others refuse to. Self-love is choosing yourself, and choosing yourself is self-care. You are not entertaining the wrong things with the wrong people because you are struggling with loving yourself. It's okay to take a break, a moment for yourself. It's okay to be selfish if it means rediscovering your own power and happiness. And maybe they will choose you, maybe they won't, but none of it matters if you choose yourself. I want you to promise me that you will not shrink yourself in order to make others feel comfortable. Do not put your happiness in other people's hands.
Ito ang gamit ko. Sunblock. Paubos na siya. Nagsasunblock talaga ako every day. Every day. Nagsasunblock ako. Kahit dito lang sa loob ng bahay. Yeah. Very quick lang to. Very quick. Ganito ang mag-sunblock, guys. Ganito ang mag-sunblock. Mabilisan. Ito yung salamin. Sama din natin yung leg, guys. Sama natin yung leg. Ayan, okay na. Pwede na magtrabaho. Ito yung sunblock ko. Nang dahil kay ano, nakita ko kasi endorser siya, no? So, bumili ako. Ang ganda nyo is, ang bilis mag-blend sa mukha. Yan lang. Bye! Good morning! Mag-almusal na tayo. Bye!